Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about saving and exporting, when to use saving, when to use exporting, and the difference. Let's get started. When you have your project that you want to save to your computer, go to File, here you have Save, Save As Copy, and Export. First off, what is the difference? Saving is when you want to keep working on your file later, like keeping all your layers, masks, and adjustments. Exporting is when you're done and just need a flat image to post, print, or send. If you're still designing, save. If you're showing it off, export. When you first want to save your project, go to File, Save As, and you'll see a bunch of file types. And here you have 4 file types: Photoshop, large document format, Photoshop PDF, and TIFF. First, choose a location where you want to save your file. Then, choose the name of the file. Choose the format that you want. Photoshop files are the default. Keeps all your layers, smart objects, and everything else. If your file is huge, choose large document format. This is for files that are over 2 GB or 30,000 pixels. TIFF is for printing and archiving. High quality and can keep layers as well. And the last one is Photoshop PDF, which is essentially just saving your project as a PDF file. I recommend always using Photoshop. When everything is set, press save. For JPEG and PNG images, you used to be able just to hit Save As and pick a JPEG or PNG format. But now, Adobe makes you go to Save As Copy if your file has layers. And here you can choose between many different formats, like JPEG or PNG. And here you have PNG format options, which is just choosing the file size. When you're ready to export your photo, go to File, Export. Here you have 2 options: Quick Export as PNG or Export As. Quick Export as PNG lets you quickly export your project as a PNG file. If you want more control over your exporting, go to Export As. As you can see, you have much more options now. Here you can choose the format type between PNG, JPEG, and GIF. You can choose your image's width, height, and scale, and choose your resample options. I recommend keeping this as the default option. You can also adjust your canvas size and put metadata. You can also choose if you want to convert your project to sRGB or embed color profiles. Scale All lets you resize your export. You can resize it, you can make it smaller or bigger. You can make it up to 10 times smaller or 3 times bigger. When you're happy with your settings, click the button that says Export. Choose where you want to save it and click Save. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.